Hi, I'm Colleen Lavin from Particle. Last Halloween I made a video using IFT to create a haunted doll that makes the lights flicker when it detects motion. Particle is sunsetting the IFT integration effective August 29th, 2022, so we're going to update that code so your haunted doll can live on. This video will walk you through the steps for migrating an applet from the Particle if this then that integration to using webhooks with Zapier instead. A webhook is a service that allows one program to send data to another as soon as a particular event takes place. First, go to ifttt.com and navigate to My Applets. Then, disconnect your applet. We cannot call an integration that does not exist, so any applets that call the Particle integration will soon not work. Next, go to Zapier and search for webhooks. Select Webhooks by Zapier. Then choose the event that you'd like to trigger. Since Zapier doesn't have a Hue integration, I chose to connect my doll to something that terrifies me even more than blinking lights. Email. Under When this happens, set the webhook to Catch Hook mode. This will create a webhook endpoint that will allow your Zap to trigger instantly when your Particle device publishes an event. Under the Do This option, select Send Outbound Email. Click Try It and you'll be navigated to a page with your webhook URL. Copy the webhook URL, then navigate to console.particle.io. Go to the Integration section, select a new integration, then Webhook. For event name, enter the Particle event name trigger. This is the event sent by the device. I like to make the event the same as the Zapier event name so it's easier to remember. In the URL field, paste the URL from Zapier. Next, set the request type to post. Set the request format to JSON. You do need to change this. The other default values should be fine, so you're good to go. Now go back to your Zapier tab and press Continue, then press Test Trigger to make sure it works on the Zapier side. Now fill out the email with your message and recipient. Now you're good to go and your haunted doll can haunt you once more. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions about the IFT migration or your Particle projects, please go to community.particle.io and make a post. You can also find these steps in the Particle documentation. That's docs.particle.io. Happy hacking!